A down dragon is a dead dragon. Go for the wings. Or, so Gobber says from How to Train Your Dragon. If any of you have seen that movie, which I would be surprised if you haven't. Well, probably I would be surprised. The idea in that, and it's actually an important plot element to some degree, is that Har says hi, everybody. Is that the dragon, if it can't fly, then it can't survive. I think that's mainly referring more to its fight against Vikings. So if a dragon loses its flight while fighting a Viking, the Viking has control now, and it can kill it on its terms. As I discussed in my last dragon video, that doesn't necessarily make complete sense, as dragons, in a broader context, are generally full weapons of mass destruction, and that's not untrue in How to Train Your Dragon. In fact, it's very true. I think it's the Gronkle is a body that's really tough and can certainly bowl things over. Other than that, they're kind of useless. What is it? I don't remember what it's called, but there's one type that has razor sharp wings, and they're so sharp they can cut straight through full grown trees. And then there's I should know the name for this one. It's something nightmare or something. But it lights itself on fire. That's a pretty good weapon. But so the idea is, with the dragons out of the sky, it's done for. Well, it can't fly anymore. It's done for. So if it's out of the sky, then it's done for according to those terms. Maybe. I think the better point is if you knock a dragon out of the sky while it's airborne, then yeah, it's probably done for. As we saw for the Red Death, falling from the sky, especially since you seem to explode on high impacts, according to the Red Death. Well, that actually makes some sense. If there's like a bunch of gases inside of them, and they light that gas, because that's what Toothless did from the inside, and so it like exploded from the inside. But so that wasn't really why it exploded. But anyways, crashing from a high, for a dragon is a danger, and it's what caused Toothless his injury, which made him ground stuck. And then for Toothless, there was another particular circumstance. Like Hiccup could have totally killed him. When he was bound, as soon as Toothless was unbound, he almost killed Hiccup. But so I think their fight against Vikings, they can still put up a fight, but in the long range, they will die if confined to an area and they cannot fly, because they rely on their flight for hunting, as clearly shown. Toothless is horrible at catching fish if he can't fly. And there is some honesty to it. If a dragon's stuck on the ground, it's not as good as it doesn't have as many of its abilities. I mean, if you're airborne, and you can do so much more. It's like having your own air force. So yeah, there's that. Dragons are robbed of an escape when they are de-winged. They are also robbed of some attacks, and like I said, could be a severe detriment to them. They may be able, however, given time, learn to adapt and find new ways to hunt and survive. But that depends on the dragon and the circumstances. So I would say it's kind of a 50-50 chance. But when a Viking's going to encounter a dragon that's been de-winged, it's going to be highly in the Vikings' favor, particularly about how things are happening in how to train your dragon, as these dragons are not nearly as powerful as your run-of-the-mill dragons. They are impressive, but they're far easier to kill. So, anyways, is a down dragon a dead dragon? Maybe. Alright, that's all for today, guys. I'll talk to you later. May dragons be with you, and God light your path.